Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete multiple slides in Google Slides. So if you want to delete multiple slides in Google Slides, here is a quick tip or a quick tutorial on how to get that done. So the first thing you have to do is you have to locate the slide, the numbers of slides you want to delete in your slide. So for example, now I want to delete the first 4 slides on this page, so I'm going to have to select these 4 at once. So if you want to delete it, if you want to highlight 4 at once, just first click on the first one, then hold your control button, then use your mouse, then drag it to the next one you want to delete. Just tap on it, then go to the third one, tap on it, the fourth one also tap on it. You can see the first, they have all been highlighted, then you cannot delete them in at once, and which means multiple the delete. So just tap on delete button. So if you want to get the delete button, just right click option, or if you are on window and right click seems not to open, just use your space bar. Or you can see they are all gone, and that is it. And if you want to bring them back, just use the control and Z, then it will bring them back again. And that is how to delete slides in Google Slide. If I give you a full, like and follow from me.